Hey guys, how's it going? Just got a couple lights here that I'm doing some repairs on, and I figured I'd take a moment to do a couple videos and help share my methods of repairing these lights when they stop working. There's different modes of failure with these. It's pretty much going to come down to either the chip itself or the driver. So I'm also going to go over some tips for improving them in the process of repairing them and trying to help prevent that from happening again in the future. This series here will also apply to anyone looking to change the color of their LEDs. If they've got say too warm and they want to go cooler, or if their color is too bright white and they want to get warmer color, this is basically the same process. It's like doing a repair or replacement on the cob. These particular lights have burned out cobs. I already know because I've done one and they've all failed the same way. So I'm going to show you how to test to see what has failed in these, and it'll apply for DC and AC versions as well. So as you can see, I'm working with AC right now. They've just cut the ground off and they're just running the neutral and the hot wire there. So anyway, so first thing I'm gonna do is take it apart. So I'm gonna get another video clip once I'm down to the actual chips. All right, see you in the next video.